The sun is out, the temperatures are rising, and that means one thing. It's time to put some plants in your garden. I'm at Southern States today, and I'm gonna learn all about all things plants.
All right, and here we have a selection of vegetable seeds for your garden.
Okay.
This is one of the favorites. These are all different sunflowers. These are great for your pollinators. All right, here are a couple of baby chicks.
They're so cute. Hi, little girl.
Yeah, we usually get a couple hundred in every week from the second week of February until the second week of May. We're a full-service farm and home, lawn and garden store. We sell everything you need for livestock and pet, as well as lawn and garden.
Now, can you tell me a little bit more about all the departments?
Sure. We have outerwear, we have a work boot department for men and ladies work boots, livestock health, we have fencing, both electrical fencing and wood fencing, and then we sell a full line of livestock feed, chicken feed, goat feed, lamb feed, cow feed, as well as all of your pet food, pet health supplies, flea and tick, things like that. There's also grooming available here. We don't have any puppies, but there are groomers in there taking care of some puppies right now. And we also have a full lawn and garden with grass seed, vegetable seeds, and then all of these bedding plants.
I love gardening.
Yes.
Before we dive in, I think I need to get ready. Can you show me that apparel department?
Sure, right this way.
All right. All right, now I'm ready. It's getting warmer outside, you know, the sun's coming out. What should people be planting in their gardens right now?
Well, right now we're transitioning away from your cold crops like broccoli and cabbages and kale into your spring crops, so your tomatoes and peppers and cucumbers and squash.
These spring crops are like my favorite crops.
Yes.
So can you show me how to plant some stuff?
Sure. We'll start with something easy like a tomato plant that everybody plants. We'll grab a couple of handfuls of soil and put it in the pot.
Okay.
We'll pop out a little bit of the tomato, just kind of squeeze this package, and then it'll pop right out.
All right.
And now I'll hold it in there and you can throw some dirt around it.
Okay.
And a tomato can just about be buried and you won't hurt it. Just kind of press it in place.
Okay.
And one tomato is planted.
And that's it?
That's it.
What's next?
These are little cucumber seeds.
Okay.
If you want to grab about 3 of these little seeds, take your finger and push it down to about this knuckle right here.
Okay.
And drop 3 seeds in there. And then if you were planting this in your garden, you would go between 18 inches and 36 inches and do another little spot like that all the way down the row.
Why so far in between plants?
Well, like if you've had a cucumber before, you know how they stretch out. They need room to grow.
Okay.
Like squash and zucchini may not need quite as much because they're a single plant with big leaves that come out.
Okay.
But your cucumber is going to want to run all over your garden.
Oh, so it's a vine.
Yeah, so you need a little bit of room to grow. Then you just kind of cover the hole, pack it not super tight, just kind of firm over the top. Then you're done. You go on to the next one. It's really simple.
Okay. Now, if you were to give somebody who is a brand new gardener one tip when they're doing their first garden, what would it be?
Have a soil sample done. Check your pH.
Okay.
More than anything else, you need to have a pH that supports the vegetables that you're going to plant. It's actually not a bad idea once you set your garden up to maybe leave a little space for some flowers, for your different pollinators, for your butterflies and your bees to come in. Any of your beneficials, ladybugs, things like that are great for your garden. We actually have some pollinator blends that you can plant, but any of these flowers back here, you can see them going from flower to flower.
Right.
It gives your garden some color, and it also will attract those pollinators.
You've told me a lot of stuff today. I really hope I can remember it all.
Well, we actually have something to help you with that. We have these little garden handbooks, and all the information I gave you plus a whole lot more are in here.
And how much do these cost?
Those are free. Come on in. We've got hundreds of them. We'll give away to anybody that needs one.
Thank you so much for all the tips, and thank you for this handbook. I'm definitely going to have to refer to this when I get home. Absolutely, and like I say, if you have any more questions, just give us a call here at the store. I've had so much fun today learning about all things gardening and livestock here at Southern States. If you have any gardening or livestock needs, make sure you come visit. You are so cute. Yes, you are, little girl.